Good morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are. For me, it's afternoon actually, but yeah. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Let's see. Put my little cap on. Didn't feel like doing my hair. How you guys doing? Yeah, so got the footprint set up again. Added a little developing VPOC. Was going to add a session statistics like with simple indicator with like high lows, previous close. Didn't seem to be working very well so far. Well, I tested it on another chart, so you know, maybe the end of the week. It's my view. Honestly, I have no clue, and I don't really care per se where it's going. But yeah, so I don't know. I'll just play the edges, I guess. Yeah, I think that's the main takeaway, I guess. I mean, I wouldn't trade a middle per se. Maybe as an exit. But yeah, since the London Open, we saw like a nice move down. Recovered now already, so yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what to say about direction. So mainly I'm just gonna play the what's that? Any code for indicators? Well, we have lots of codes for lots of indicators. What do you mean specifically? I mean, we would like a trade copier. So if you can help with a trade copier, would be nice. Yeah, that's the next project that we're gonna add. Yeah, and as far as like, yeah. I mean, I still think there's plenty of stops above, but you have one? Okay. Where is it written in? Like, what code is it written in? Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool. But what language is it written in? Like, what is that? Trader is C#, I guess. What is it? And share chart, I don't know. Oh, C++, nice. Okay. No, but for real, if you can write, what is W's again? I should know this. Yeah, mainly Angular TypeScript. The backend is C#, I think. Don't hold me to that, but I think. Yeah, so the thing is, we wanted to run on Mac too, right? So most of the stuff that we see, especially with copiers, they are only on Windows. Yeah, but if we can make something web-based, yeah, you know, shoot me an email. Who knows? Cool. No, but very nice. I'm actually thinking to maybe add developers to the team. But it costs a lot of money, you know? So unless this FTT challenge goes very well, you know, and I get some payouts quickly, I can pay for them. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, you know, you can shoot me an email with some details and then, you know, could be cool. Yeah, as far as the market goes, honestly, I don't really know. Like feel like it's, you know, not super, well, a little bit sideways, I guess. After we, you know, broke out of the, let me load some more data here. Thanks. Oh, right, and so we're on the new FTT server now, right? So hopefully no more issues. Yeah, let's see at the open how it's gonna behave. We'll do some test orders to see if they delay or not. But yeah, could be good. Could be good. Hopefully it's good. Yeah. But what do you think about this prop firm challenge, guys? What do you think about it? Do you even care about it that I'm gonna do that, or just you just care about like me trading in general? Do you? Yeah, let me know. Okay. Let's see me pass it. Yeah. Yeah. So the thing is, I started a new one like with like 0 balance on for the stream, but I was trading a few accounts already, and I'm halfway one, and like a third for like a fourth. 1/4 of a few others. So, and then I'm like, oh shit, now I started another one and I need to start over. But basically I did it for the stream, but I have another one, like one account has like 3.7k, then I have another account with 2.1, 2.5, things like that. But yeah, so I started over again and now I'm up on this account, like not so much yet. Which account is this again? This is the yes, I'm up like 1,075 on this one, so so I have some way to go, right? But yeah, ideally I would just trade the one with 3.7 in it. But just for consistency on the stream, right, I just wanted to start a new one. Yes, I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. I mean, I'm not definitely gonna get it, but you know, I feel like I have a good chance of getting there. Yeah, this is definitely hard, I feel. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Did you guys trade yesterday? Because I normally don't trade Mondays nor Fridays because I don't know, like I don't like my statistics are pretty bad on those days, so I you know just kind of stopped trading it. But yeah, it kind of depends, right? So maybe also depends on the range, depends on maybe on the volume on the day. But usually I just skip it. Yeah, and yeah, also because I'm busier now with the platform development, of course. But still. Let's see. Yeah, right. Yeah, it's a pain. Yeah, I figured that. We're open. I should get a bell, right? An opening bell. Can be fun. Let's see what they're gonna do. All right, let me check the orders if there is any delay now. I don't know, it seems fast. Oh. So okay. No, seems good. Right from the open. Stopped early. Okay, yeah. I mean, you know, if it's not your day, it's not your day. Yeah, happens. I'm not so sure here. What are we doing here? Wait. So using the 1, 2, 4. And I'm loading another longer term chart, but I loaded the wrong instrument. Yeah, honestly, I feel a bit blank today, so maybe just gonna wait it out a bit. You know, we got some volume from yesterday, mainly here, right? So if they push it a little bit, could get a reaction maybe, but it's very close to this low already, right? This swing low. So, I'm not so sure. Yeah. Yeah, so if they hold it above 81s, right? 81s. They probably want to run the highs. Yeah, I guess. So let's see if they hold here. But, I don't want to long it here just because of that, really. Yeah. Do you guys have that? Like, you know, you're trading it already and you're kind of just not feeling it? That's how I'm feeling right now. Like, you'll just wait it out, see what goes, what happens. Okay, so now we're going to this level. Let's see if we're going to this. Are any good? Yeah. Like this area. I'm not sure. Everyone is Yeah, so if they go above this volume ledge again, so 80, look right now, 50 PSC. Chances are they're gonna push it? What do you guys think? I'm not sure. Do we have news? Books are always empty now, right? Actually, I forgot to check. The books look like there's gonna be news. Super empty. No, there's nothing. Consumer confidence in 24 minutes, so it's far enough. Yeah. Yeah, it's just L going up and down now, right? It's not really a move now, it's just sitting there. Giving the algorithms their fun. Yeah. I'm gonna try not to trade just because it's streaming. Okay? Because I don't know if you remember how that went the other time. Not so well. Yeah. I mean, if you're gonna scalp like a point or something, you could like anticipate this move sideways like BS for a bit and then, you know, take some points, but I don't know. And to be honest, I feel always when I start doing it, then it's gonna, you know, leave the range. But yeah, maybe I can... Let's see. Yeah, okay, so I set up the workspace again. We did some updates and it corrupted my workspace. And I'm like, oh no. So I had to set it up before the stream again, but we're set. I feel I want to take it higher, right? Kind of feels like that. Wait, I don't have a Nasdaq chart on yet. Let me see. Oh, not YM. Thank you. Let's see. Minutes. Yeah, just building volume around the VPSC now. Not really doing much. Alright, I also don't have my... Okay, saving. Oh, right, I forgot to... Okay, here we come. It's kind of like this whole zone, right? Pretty much, actually. Like from here to here. High volume from yesterday. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I feel I can buy it now. Maybe for a scalp. But yeah, we have the news in. Oh, 20 minutes. Okay, well, that's alright. Let's see. So it needs to hold here. Otherwise, no. Let's see. Ideally, it's really here, right? So 71-ish. But yeah, it might not go there. So it could be here. That's what we just exactly hit, 67. Yeah. What are you guys thinking? You guys long, short, flat? Maybe I'll just add one lot to start. And go up to 5 max. I feel they want to push it, but maybe they want to push it down. Who knows? Yeah, I kind of want to try it, I think. Very hard. Did I just miss it? Or it's a fake out. They love that. It's really moving slow. I don't like it per se. Yeah. If they push again, I might buy it, and maybe they got some momentum. But I don't know. It looks very iffy. Looks very iffy. So, but if they want to push it, they have to do it now, kind of on this level, or it's a no-go, in my opinion. I'm gonna try. Oh, fuck. Didn't want that price, but okay. Ah, no fill. Come on. Jeez. I'll take 6 ticks now. What? No fill? Really? Oh, okay. Yeah, so I didn't fill my ad, which has been pretty annoying. Because I had 0 size. Well, there's one. It's annoying. That's annoying. Now it's going without me. Yeah, too bad. Had a tiny tiny. Oh. No. Oh, here we go. Oh, now it's gonna okay. That was 1 point extra. Yeah, so it's, you know, I'm still like a little bit like scared to trade size on stream, I guess, also because like the one time I did it went horribly wrong. But yeah, I on one lot I'm up 125, so you know. Yeah, I you know, should just do it. Yeah, well, so you know, at least I would want to have 3, I guess, 3 or 5. Next time. Yeah, but again, if it holds here at the VPC like 78-ish, it should still see higher prices, but I'm not sure what they want to do. Like in 10 minutes we have news, so yeah, cool. I'm looking forward to that email. Oh, there we go. Oop. Super iffy. Yeah, so maybe now it's gonna go there to the this volume. Not sure. Yeah, choppy. It's really annoying to trade. But yeah, what do you do, right? If you everything know beforehand, then it's easy, and it's not. So yeah. I'm sure you're short. Yeah, well, it looks good. Looks good. Here we go. Yeah, I prefer to have like a good retest for my short entries. Like just like hitting the range again for me doesn't do it. You could argue that it went down and then tested the VWAP and then it's going lower, but yeah, for me, I don't know. It's too tricky for me. But yeah, good catch. Good. Nice. Very nice. Could see. What could we see? Well, 70s, right? 70, 71. Easily, I guess. 70. 70, 71. Yeah. But and anyway, so the new server, it looks pretty fast. So that's good. Even on the opening, very nice. So I'm happy with that. Oh. Okay, so Nasdaq bounced back a lot already now. Huh. And ES is lagging a little bit. Okay. Alright, so FTT is gonna add the bonds back again because they halted trading on it for a bit. I don't know exactly why, there was some sketchy stuff going on, I heard. Not exactly what. But now they're gonna add it back but with commissions, so that's gonna be the only product with them, with commissions, I guess. Wait. In fixed income. Yeah, so they're going to add commissions to the fixed income. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Alright, so yeah, so we have news in like 5-ish minutes. Oh, okay, you got out. It's 2 1/4. Ah, that's good. That's good. Good trade. Nice. Yeah, kind of what I did in my 2 little small trades. Okay. Yeah, I feel this could hold, but I'm yeah, the news is coming soon, so kind of don't want to be in it, I guess. Although normally when it goes, like I'm out way before 5 minutes, but 4 minutes right now. Yeah, no, I'm good. So right, so right, did a little test trade on another account this morning for the platform to test the new FTT connection, the new server. But I just scratched it, so I'm at 0 then there. But yeah, so only 125. Oh man, I feel like I need to get at least 500, and ideally 1K. By the way, it's trading right now. I don't see that happening. more slice, full ported. 2 ticks full ported. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, so the news. Okay. So forecast is 103.9. Yeah, let's see what they're gonna do. Alright, they might wanna bring it to this level here. Before the news. Yeah. I think if it goes down only a little bit in the news to like 70 and then goes up, then we might see new highs. I don't know. Okay. Getting there. That's so annoying. Right on the news, they get there. But does that mean they're just gonna pump it up from there? I think so. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe I'll try. Nah. They want to lose. Yeah, so now maybe short when it's going back to 70, 71. Tough one. It's a bit annoying, those moves on news. Oh man, here we go. New lows. Interesting. Could be good for scalping a tick, scalping a point. We had the lows like 63.50-ish. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it was a good short, but on news it's like, it's, you know, it's like, shall I say, gambling? Yeah, so yeah, on news, I don't know, it's just tricky. Oh man. Yeah. No real setups for me, to be honest. Yeah, I was looking maybe for 53s, 54s for a bounce, but yeah, didn't got there. If we would have gotten there maybe right away, I would have tried it, I guess, for some knife catching. Yeah. Can still go there. It can still go there. You guys doing anything? I'm just looking and maybe for a long, but because I don't know where to short. Look, it's going down, right? So ideally you'd be short, but I don't know where to short it from here. It's very hard. Long NQ, nice. I mean, I hope it's at the low. 446, yeah. 40, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, sitting on hands. Yeah, I should do that too. You know, it's just not my kind of setups right now. I'm trying to look for something, but honestly, there is just for me at least not so much. No. I mean, if it goes straight back now to, you know, 76-ish, that could be good. Like here, VWAP, volume yesterday, and previous breakdown level. Yeah, other than that, probably better just to wait indeed. Because when you don't, it usually costs money to try things that you normally don't do. So let's see if it gets there. It's like 75, 50 till like, oh, I'm not gonna do this one. 76, yeah. Yeah. But like, do any of you like short with the move? Like, if you like, let's say, you know, like you had this. Better here, I guess. Like, if it goes down, like, because when I, you know, if I, when a trader break out or break down, you know, so often it just reverts back and you get screwed. So yeah, I never really short with the moves. Yeah, super tricky. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, makes sense. Analytical market theory. Do you have any shorter name I can call you? So okay, so now we come back to this level. But here, this level did nothing, right? So the volume from yesterday here did completely nothing. Yeah, so I'm not really sure if I want to short the retrace to that area. Probably not. If it pushes very hard right now to that here, like to the VWAP in this level, if not gonna take so long to beef up because it's gonna still be here, otherwise it's gonna move down. Yeah, and the thing with major flushes, like often it bounces very hard after, right? So how we like I'm normally very bad in trading that. But then I'm thinking like, yeah, like should you care trading that, you know? Because I don't know, I guess it moves, so there's volatility, so you can trade it. But like, is that worth the risk? You know, like what risk are you gonna apply to that? So maybe you should just avoid it, or yeah, I don't know. It's a tough one. You don't draw. So yeah. But yeah, so it broke down from here, right? So that level kind of worked. So I'm a little bit too chicken maybe, but like here, you can see the breakdown, right, with the red numbers, the imbalances. It's kind of what it tested. Now I look at it. But yeah, what do you do? Yeah, short on the pullback, exactly. But yeah, true. But with these V shapes lately, like it used to be easier, like, you know, years ago. I don't know, it's super tricky. Oh man, really? Like, just go 76. Yeah. Anyway, so here's some volume. So we're gonna, and again, like ES is moving back quicker. But if anything, if this holds, like then it still alone could be valid. So 64-ish, quarter. Because every time we see them recovering, right? So yeah, unless it's really gonna break down and the whole world is gonna end, maybe they're gonna buy it again. Right? Who knows? Who knows? I don't, that's for sure. However, they came pretty close to that level, right? The one that I had before. So, you know, maybe I should have like put one on one. How you say that? One on one together? How you say that? It's not my first language. And you know, short that those imbalances when it broke down, and then look for that and not wait for that level to reject, because it's only 1 point away. Yeah. yeah, so again, I don't have like a short entry, but if this bounced now again and they want to, you know, make this like a fake out to go long, then I could kind of want to try it, I guess, you know, try it maybe. But yeah, it's been kind of bearish. It's just the fact that they, you know, they kept buying stuff up. Okay, too late. They kept buying stuff. Okay, so I should have just clicked it. Yeah. No more talking, just clicking. Okay. So. Yeah. Okay. Now they go. That's kind of what I figured they would do. But yeah. Again, without me. Was a good bounce for me, so let's say if I feel would have gotten my 2 points. Oh wait, this vortex. Yeah, now it's already rejecting a little bit. Rejecting, it's just going down again. Yeah. Honestly, I'm just looking for things that are not there, maybe. I still kind of want to try it. Like, I feel they're gonna push it back to, you know, VWAP. But yeah, it's tricky. It is tricky. But maybe I'll try just, you know, it's just one lot, so it's, you know, it doesn't hurt that much. Yeah. I mean, I feel if I chase it now, then I'll, you know, get it on my head. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. It's, I feel it's going. But I need a good entry for my risks, otherwise, you know, it doesn't make much sense. Yeah. Because it's still kind of in a downtrend, right? I mean, NQ is for sure. Yes, it's trying to hold a little bit. And it's just L going up and down, so you know, it doesn't mean much per se. I still want to buy. I don't know why. They might as well make new lows again, right? So it's nothing. Okay, NQ going down as well. Who knows? There it is. Well, just talking about it, might as well make new lows. There it is. Yeah, without me again. NQ made new lows already. Yeah, I didn't know where to short it. It was just like, you know, this was the only opportunity that I could have tried. Close to here, and then you know, the setup here. I didn't, so yeah. But yeah, if NQ also now is going to be back into range quickly, it can still move back up, because it's what they've been doing all the time, right? So they all the time they've just been trying to recover it and managed to do so. So look, I'm the last one not wanting to short, but like I'm like here, like where should you short it? Like where do you do that? Like here, probably not here. So yeah, tricky. Oh man, should have just bought that dip. And here, like, you know, the book is so empty still. Like I have to get used to it still, but like, you know, it's like it's so different than before. There's nothing there. Like it moves on nothing. You know, like bloop. The algos pull their bits, and offer is like whoop, goes every side for no reason. But yeah, so there's 66, 67. Yeah, so it went up a lot already. Oh man. See, now they did the fake outs. And now it's gonna go? Who knows? Maybe 64. If I see volume hit now on the dome, well, I might buy it for a scalp. But again, it's super tricky. I don't know, let's try it. Oh. Missed it again, really? Okay. Oh no, screw it. Okay. Yeah, okay, this is not good. This is not good. Let's take it. Do take loss. Okay, fine. I don't know. Let's see if they want to hold it here and then move again. Then maybe yes, it can work. But it should have really held it at 64. Again, it just did the top of the range, and now, you know, whatever. Yeah, I don't really like it. Don't really like it. Yeah, so if they're gonna try again, like above 64 again, then I might still buy it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see your 500, like, you know, like trying to. Yeah. Some big passive sellers at 63. Here, 759. Yeah, let's see if they're gonna win or not. Like, who's gonna win? Like, 'cause it's so tempting to just buy it, for me at least, when you see it moving up, right? But it's just algorithms like trying to, you know, force some action, and then they go back just as quick. That's why it's so hard with this empty order book, because it doesn't mean anything. Like, you know, right now there's like 20 contracts on price, 20, 40, 60 contracts. It's nothing. It's nothing. Very tricky. Yeah, so I have to go above this one again, like here. Then it can work, in my opinion. Okay, so I could try, you know, it's just trying really. Getting some volume and trying to maybe catch it in anticipation it doesn't go lower. So no, in a tight stop. But this is like really iffy here. Strange reaction. Yeah, kind of wanna. Yeah, this might not work actually. Now I see what they're trying to do. Oh, could be tricky. Could be tricky. Let's see. Okay. So now you have to, okay, top of the range. Okay, flat. 64 at the volume. Okay. Up to 75. Yeah, woohoo. Well, no, you know, it's not super bad per se, but it's just like I'm still trading like low contracts, right? And it's probably gonna run higher now since I got out, because I think it's gonna go to VWAP right now, break this level. Well, let's see if it can do that or not. Like it's gonna probably break this level now. Probably, I'm saying probably doesn't need to do anything, of course, but you know, like we saw some build up here, volume build up here. So perfect little volume ledge, right? Perfect. So now you should be able to buy the 63 pullback actually. Let's see if they're gonna work or not. Right here, and then it should try again, right? So wait, should I do that? Oh man, yeah, I think we should do that. Then to 64. Okay, maybe he's not gonna do that. Something else. Yeah, I had enough. It didn't go too much, you know, going back and forth. So I didn't like the risk anymore. So I'll just wait and I'll Guess I have to buy it higher now. I just didn't want to risk 2 points on that, pretty much. That's pretty much it. So I felt it had to go and not stall that much. But the thing is, like, I just expect them to run this little, to run some stops above here, right? So but yeah, maybe not gonna do that. So, you know, it's still kind of, you know, negative for us. Still down. Make this a little bit better. Yeah, so maybe not. Because basically it just like tested the volume around the VPOC. No, moved on again. I'm still very wary about like how this traded. This is very interesting to me. Let's see. Let's keep an eye on that. Yeah. No. But yeah, so let's like, you know, if I look at it at the short side, like again, how are you gonna short it? How are you gonna short the pullback that we had to exactly the high? Because it's like the third test, I guess. 1, 2, sort of. Well, you know, it's just sideways, but I think it would then break out, right? So let's see. But yeah, obviously I'm wrong with it. It's going lower. Yeah. I don't know. It's a very annoying day so far, to be honest. Yeah. How are you guys doing? Are you shorted again? Analytical market theory? You shorted it. And hello A, where did you exit your long of the NQ? I think you bought it at a good moment, I think, at the time. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. It's probably a smarter thing to do. So yeah, good. Okay, fair enough. Okay, that's good. That's good. 20k 40. Oh, that's good. We went only like to 48 or something, right? 47-ish. Nice, very nice. So you guys are doing better than me. Okay, should I push it? Get some size in. Yeah, flipping short. I mean, I also don't do it. It's yeah, it's very hard. Yeah, so there's different ways you can do that, right? So you can say like, oh look, I had a good trade now, and I'm just gonna risk like half of the profit until the next trade into trying it. So maybe if you trade it like you made the profit with like 2 lots, you're gonna trade the 1 lot with half of the profit, so you have some leeway, right? That's one way you could do it, but it's still like, yeah. No, I'm not gonna. I try not to push it. I think I already did that the second day. That made no sense. But I'm still adjusting to it, right? It's kind of weird, and I feel like it's a cool challenge, because I'm always like the last 15 years, always trading alone, or just some chat going on, right? We always had like a group of traders with some chats, but never like sharing my screen or anything, P&L, that's for sure. Never share my P&L. And it's right now, it's not super proud of it yet. So it's 275 because I'm just playing it small, right? And trying not to lose on stream. But I'll give it another month or so, to see how it goes for me. But yeah, so far it's kind of, good and bad. Like it's uncomfortable, but it's also good. Like for me talking about what I'm looking at, what my like what I'm thinking about. Yeah, going a little bit through my process. Weird thing where you feel like, yeah. You created the weird thing that you felt like you had to be in a trade. Yeah, I kind of had that already. So I'll try not to do it, but yeah, I'm not gonna guarantee it won't happen again. But it's fine. It's part of it, part of the journey. It's part of the journey. And it's not live accounts, it's not like I'm gonna blow up like my own account, so it's like whatever. Yeah, it's okay. But with that said, like I do have other accounts with FTT that are like halfway there. And now I'm again like, if I had this like 1.3K that I have now, put in the other account, I would have been at 5K, and I was like, almost there, 2/3. So anyway. Cool, see you later. Yeah. Thanks for joining. Yeah, and another thing, right? So I'm trading on the Tradrr platform. It's not released yet, so it means it's still in beta, right? So it's not perfect. I know it's false, like in some areas, so I know a little bit how to deal with it right now. But it's of course it's not released yet. So that's also another thing added to the mix. Yeah, we do have a Discord, but it's mainly just for like previous clients from the AMS trading group software. At the moment, because we don't want to do like it's very calm now, but we don't want to like open it up yet, because probably then need some moderators, things like that, if it gets busy, and we don't have time for that right now. But yeah, we do have one. If you want it, I can send you the link if you email me on the CopyTrader. That's fine, but it's not going to be, for now at least, not public. Yeah, it's fine that people join, but just not too many right now, right? That's basically it. Everyone can still join, but I don't want to have like hundreds of people in it right now. So I think currently there's many people that tested some software for us or our previous clients from AMS. I think we're at like maybe 80 members or something like that. I'm not sure. 80 or let me see. Where can I see that? I am not sure where I can see that. I think it's around 80-ish, 80 or 90 people at the moment. I am more active in the FTT Discord, to be honest. But yeah. Okay, so right. Trying to hold the low here. Yeah. I don't know. It also feels kind of slow, I guess. It's not maybe super slow, but it feels slow. Yeah. Oh right, so the goal of the stream, yeah, it's like to get the software out there. It's also that I wanted to challenge myself, right, with the prop funded account. Yeah, so pretty much those things combined, you know, and some structure, you know, some structure. Like I often traded just from my laptop, and now I'm back at my trading desk setup, so it's also structure for myself. Yeah. And do you look at it sometimes? Because like often I feel like the market goes like in 3 dips, right? So 3 dips and then it bounces a little bit more. And I feel it's kind of doing that again, like, you know, one test. It's more clear on the NQ actually. Yeah, here it goes, right? Now, so 1, 2, 3, and then it, you know, it bounces. It kind of did that. Not so much on the ES, although it did test it 3 times. The last time was more like of take a little peek below the lows. Yeah, so you know, like pushing up again. Yeah, right. So pretty good push actually. You know, 10-12 points. Not too bad. So yeah, it's tricky. But where, how do you like if you, let's say, try to break out? Maybe I can test it sometimes, maybe. Yeah, so it feels like the low short term might be in, right? I guess you can say that. So 64 might be still a good area to buy. We pull it back. But yeah. But anyway, so I'm kind of like bitching about 275, right? But if you copy trade it later, like 275 times 20, right? So that's almost it's 5,500. Then it's not so bad anymore. I do want to copy trade it later, but at first I want to get a payout, then I'll, you know. Alright, so now 64, okay, so I got here. Okay, straight up. Okay, so 64 would not have filled there. Okay. Amazing. Well, that's unfortunate, right? So we said the test to the 64s could be a good now. But I went only 64 quarter. I had no order pending, but you know, I wanted to buy if they dip to there. No. What do you do? One tick difference. What do you do? Nada. So this year often was like a signal for me to go long for a retest of the highs. It's called unfinished business, and like the 79 times 88, so that means that there were still 79 people bidding well after the high got taken out. And often they test that, but I feel lately with these empty order books, they are less reliable. But you guys maybe know Umar, and he talks about it too, but here now it's retesting it. But yeah, to me it's less reliable lately. But yeah, it's like unfinished business. At a high or longer, because here like, oh, poop, here we go. Okay, so we're back to that level. Back to VWAP. Alright. Oh man, yeah. Because with that, by the way, like that 79 times 188, like that we had, it indicates that there's still buyers willing to buy, right? Even though price went lower, they were still, you know, enthusiastic to buy. And we popped higher now, but you know, like just to VWAP. But it's still an interesting phenomenon. Because normally on like highs and lows you have like if it's down, like you have like number of contacts times 0, and at the top, if it's a high swing, you have 0 times a number, and that means like it's a finished auction, right? But if it trades two sides at a low or a high, it's often indicating that they're not done doing business there, hence unfinished business. Yeah, so if you look at my trades here, like it's not amazing, right? So I bought, like, tried to buy here, 60s to 66, 64 area, but then, yeah, I made a low and I, you know, didn't buy anything up. So I'm trying to like see like how can I do that better, right? And yeah, at the moment I don't know, but I'll look into it because it's interesting to me. Okay, so we're getting to that area in the VPSC of today and the volume from yesterday. So I'm kind of want to scalp it, maybe. But yeah. Oh, it already hit it. Here. 76, even, yeah. Well, that would have been a nice scalp if I filled that right away. Too bad. Too bad. 76 fill, 75, 74, 2 points, yeah. Would be nice. Yeah. that's too bad. I've been talking about that level for a long time. Since here. Let's see. Now I got there, and I do nada. Nothing. Yeah. I'm not really sure what to think about that. Well, I know what to think about it. I'm thinking like if I enter, they might push it. You know, they might flush it up. I call it like, you know, rip it up. That's kind of like a silly thought, because you don't know. But yeah, would have been a nice 2 points. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Yeah, I'm not super happy with today's trade, I guess, because I didn't trade that level that I was waiting for the whole time, right here. And yeah, I wasn't really able to, you know, short it well. Yeah, still a little bit afraid to trade some size, that too. Yeah, so we're gonna see how that's gonna go tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, you know, because that helps the stream. Would be amazing. And subscribe, of course. And then see you guys tomorrow. See ya.